Dear students, Namaste. I am Subodh Kamble from SBNM College of D Pharmacy, Mahan. In this video tutorial, I will discuss about Introduction to Pharmaceutical Chemistry. After watching this video, the students will be able to define inorganic and organic chemistry, differentiate properties of organic and inorganic compounds, and explain pharmaceutical chemistry. As we all know, there are two main classes of chemical compounds, inorganic and organic. These compounds were classified on the basis of sources from which they were derived. As the compounds which were derived from mineral origin are known as inorganic, and those which are derived from vegetable or animal origin are called as organic. For example, sodium chloride, carbon dioxide are inorganic compounds, and alcohol, sucrose are organic compounds. However, most of the compounds formed by living cells, that is from plants and animals, contains carbon. Hence, the emphasis was shifted from origin to composition, and organic compounds came to be considered as those containing carbon. All organic compounds contain elements like carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, phosphorus, and halogens like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. So, the organic chemistry can be defined as the branch of chemistry that deals with the structure, properties, and reaction of compounds that contain carbon, that is organic compound. Now, inorganic compounds. The inorganic compounds are those compounds that are made up of two or more elements other than carbon. For example, as we see sodium chloride, magnesium sulfate. However, there are some exceptions that contains carbon, such as carbides. In this, silicon carbide contains carbon atom, carbonates, cyanides, carbon dioxide, and carbon monoxide. As these compounds contains carbon as an element, but these are classified as inorganic compounds. Now, what is chemistry? Now, what is inorganic chemistry? The inorganic chemistry can be defined as the study of properties, reactions, and uses of inorganic compounds known as inorganic chemistry. Now, the question can be raised in your mind that what are the differences between organic and inorganic compounds. So, pause this video and write down what you think about differences between organic and inorganic compounds. Then play this video. Now you may have written some differences like organic compounds often from vegetable or animal origin, inorganic compounds obtained from mineral origin, organic compounds contains carbon, inorganic compounds contains other than carbon elements. Despite that, there are some other main differences are there, such as organic compounds have low melting point and inorganic compounds have high melting point. The organic compounds have low boiling point and inorganic compounds have high boiling point. The organic compounds have low solubility in water and high solubility in non-polar solvents. As in inorganic compounds, the inorganic compounds have high solubility in water and low solubility in non-polar solvents. The organic compounds are flammable and the inorganic compounds are non-flammable. The organic compounds solutions are the non-conductors of electricity and the inorganic solutions are the conductors of electricity. The organic compounds exhibit covalent bonding and in inorganic compounds they exhibit ionic bonding. The organic compounds exhibits isomerism and in inorganic compounds the isomers are limited to a few exceptions. In organic compounds, the chemical reactions are usually so slow and in or inorganic compounds, the chemical reactions are fast. What is pharmaceutical chemistry? The pharmaceutical chemistry is the branch of chemistry which deals with the study of pharmaceuticals. That is, meaning medically or medicinally important chemical compounds. As we have studied pharmaceutical chemistry first in first year, in that we have studied all the inorganic compounds which have medicinal importance. Now, in the second year, we will see or study pharmaceutical chemistry too, and in that subject, we will study all those organic compounds which have medicinal importance in pharmacy.